This old guy DIY idea has to do with not losing the drain plug in your small boat or canoe. So in the course of making these sport boat videos, I've sent this drain plug into the lawn on 3 or 4 occasions as I flip the boat over and do whatever I'm doing to take photos. And I got tired of it. So what I've done now is just took one of these little safety wire spring clips. I drilled through the solid part of the brass. You can see it's solid, so that doesn't affect anything. And then I put a little hole back here. So I drilled a little hole back here into this support. I just put the clip into that. And then there's about 10 inches of decoy line on there. And it's small enough that you can twist this stuff in and out. There's no need for a swivel or anything. When you pull it out, it just straightens itself out. But I'll never have to look for that drain plug again.